Hey guys, welcome to Stever Garage. Today we're going to be installing a dead pedal in our 2020 Jeep Gladiator. I think it'll definitely help with this foot just dangling here and doing nothing. It would really be nice to have something to rest it on. So yeah, Derek agrees and we're both really excited to see how it goes. So here is what the package comes with. We have the dead pedal itself. We got this off of Amazon. Here is the back plate with all the different settings on it. We'll have to figure that out. Here is all the hardware that it comes with, not too much, so it should be a really simple install. And then we're gonna need a couple of wrenches. We have a 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter, and then a 4 millimeter Allen wrench. So let's get to it. All right, first we're gonna take this nut off. All right, we're gonna put it in place here, and then we're just gonna tighten the nut down, and then we'll be good to go. All right, and there we have it. It is all installed. Now my foot can rest comfortably here. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna put the link to this dead pedal in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, please let us know, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.